So, Mr. de Zaluski, do you see any further upside in European equities?
Well, we are trying to find upside, but it's really difficult today. When we are trying to see how the consensus and how analysts are projecting their views for 2014, it's difficult to see an upside on the equity market, just because the EPS are on a very topish way in the European equity stocks, and we will see, I think, between now and the end of the year, a market in which we should not expect to have a very upside potential,
yes.
Very high upside potential.
So, if earnings per share in European equities are at the top level at the moment, what are the alternatives that you are looking at?
Well, basically, we do not see the growth basically just on the European market. But if we are thinking that there is no alternative on the equities, we are trying to have a more defensive bias on this asset class, and when it's possible in our diversified portfolio, we are trying to have more absolute return profile funds, such as discretionary bonds fund or flexible ones, in order to have a lower exposure to risky assets on which we have been invested for the past 2 years.
Yeah. So you resort to risk off, from risk on to risk off.
Yes. Basically, what I have seen yesterday within the panel and the consensus of the investor which are here, I think they are too optimistic. It's just because I think that there's no much upside potential, except if we can see that the multiples should go further, but I don't.
So you mean the equity managers have been too optimistic?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay. Thank you for your valuable insights.
You're welcome.